Thank you for signing up for an online account on univarsolutions.com. There are 3 areas of our website that I'd like to briefly review with you to ensure that you're able to make the most out of your new account and what kind of access you now have on our website. Before we get started, make sure to select your default shipping address as seen in the address book. You can change your default address to see quoted products and make purchases for a different shipping address at any time. First is order history. Your order history can be accessed in the upper right-hand corner of our website by clicking on Orders or by clicking My Account and then Orders. You can search for an order by using the search bar or filter by status, date range, or address. Orders include the related documentation, such as certificates of analysis and safety data sheets, any relevant tracking links, and the ability to see more details. You can also use the Reorder button to quickly purchase your most common products. Next is your product catalog, which includes a link to quickly update your default shipping address if needed. Please email digitalcs@univarsolutions.com if you're missing a shipping address. All of your active quotes associated with your default shipping address will be available to view and easily purchase online. You can also navigate to all products and request a new quote, or you can purchase select products that have a web price available. Finally are your invoices. Stay up to date with payments by utilizing the invoice page, which can also be accessed in the upper right-hand corner of our website. Similar to your order history page, your invoices page gives you options for searching and filtering to find the invoice that you're looking for. You also have the option to turn on email reminders, set up auto pay, or pay an invoice on our website using an ACH payment. I hope that this video has helped you understand how our website can help you, especially when it comes to managing your orders, quotes, and invoices online. If you have any questions or feedback about the website or your account, please email us at digitalcs@univarsolutions.com.